You work hard to fulfill your family's needs. As you live through various stages of life, your financial goals and needs for your family change consistently. You need to safeguard your financial goals from unfortunate events. In order to protect your family, Kotak has launched a product, Kotak Guaranteed Fortune Builder, a life insurance plan to safeguard your family's future with an assurance to fulfill your goals. In this video, let us review the product and find out whether the Kotak Guaranteed Fortune Builder is a good investment option for you or not. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. Kotak Guaranteed Fortune Builder is a non-participating, non-linked individual savings life insurance plan. First, let us look at the features of Kotak Guaranteed Fortune Builder. Financial security throughout life, different plan option, inbuilt premium waiver benefit, guaranteed lump sum benefit, guaranteed income, joint life option, inbuilt value-added services. Now, let us look at the benefits we receive under different plan option. The first is long-term income. Here you get a guaranteed income for a fixed period of 15, 20 or 25 years. Under option A, the total premium is returned. Under option B, you will receive only the guaranteed income. Next, early income. Under this option, you will receive guaranteed income as a percentage of annualized premium during the policy term. Next, assured wealth. Guaranteed early addition will accrue annually during the premium paying term. After the end of the premium paying term, you will have the option to encash the guaranteed early addition at any time during the policy term, or else it is payable with maturity benefit. The final is a bright future option. Here you receive milestone payouts in arrears for 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 years at the end of policy term. Now let us have a glimpse of additional benefits under Kotak Fortune Builder. Loyalty additions are available under the assured wealth option only. Value added service, it is an inbuilt health and well-being management service. You have additional protection through riders. Now let us analyze the advantages and disadvantages of Kotak Guaranteed Fortune Builder. Advantages: premium break is an inbuilt benefit for female lives where the policyholder can avail 1 year premium break during the premium paying term. The well-being app is an inbuilt benefit. This app is aimed at encouraging a healthy lifestyle of life insured. Loan option with a maximum limit of 80% of surrender value is available. Disadvantages: most of the added benefits are limited to particular plan option. For example, loyalty addition is available only for assured wealth option. The sum assured is too low. The lock-in period is 2 years for surrendering or to obtain a loan. As an investor, you should look at the returns generated by the plan. For this, we need to estimate the internal rate of return of Kotak Guaranteed Fortune Builder. There are 4 plan options under this plan. The cash flow patterns varies from plan to plan. Here we have taken option 3, assured wealth. For a male aged 35 years, annual premium is 1 lakh exclusive of GST. Premium payment term is 10 years, policy term is 20 years, basic sum assured is 14,64,080. Here in this illustration, we assume that the policyholder allows the guaranteed yearly addition to accrue. On maturity, he will be receiving a lump sum of basic sum assured plus loyalty addition plus accrued guaranteed yearly additions. If he pays premium regularly for 10 years, he will be receiving a maturity of 23.06 lakhs. The IRR for this cash flow is 5.46%. This rate of return is lower than the economic inflation rate. So obviously, there will be difficulties in achieving your financial goals. The rate of return is not in favor of the investor and the sum assured is also too low. The final maturity corpus is not sufficient under Kotak Guaranteed Fortune Builder. Investing in this plan will derail your financial goals. So let us look out for other investments where you could yield better returns. Now let us compare Kotak Guaranteed Fortune Builder with other products by investing the same premium of rupees 1 lakh as seen in the above illustration. In that illustration, the sum assured is 14.64 lakhs and the annual premium is 1 lakh. The premium paying term is 10 years and the policy term is 20 years. For the same metric, a pure term life insurance plan will cost you 12,500. Out of 1 lakh, after the pure term insurance premium payment will leave you with 87,500 per annum. This amount could be invested as per risk appetite. Investors who are ready to take risk can go for equity related instruments and others can stick to debt instruments. PPF for debt instrument and ELSS for equity instrument. PPF, the premium payment term in the earlier illustration is 10 years, but in PPF the contribution is 15 years. In the last 5 years, adjustments were made to make minimum contribution of rupees 500. After that, the account is extended for the next 5 years, and finally the maturity value is available at the end of 20 years. Under ELSS, investment is made in the initial 10 years and the fund grows for the next 10 years. The final maturity proceeds at the end of 20 years are subject to capital gains tax. Tax calculation are given here. The maturity value under PPF is 25.82 lakhs and the IRR for this along with pure term insurance is 6.21%. The maturity value under ELSS is 49.04 lakhs. This is post-tax value, and IRR for this along with pure term insurance is 10.51%. This is post-tax return. The above analysis clearly shows that the returns under PPF and ELSS along with pure term insurance policy yield better than Kotak Guaranteed Fortune Builder. Investing separately for your life goals always aids you in achieving your goals. Here is our final verdict. Kotak Guaranteed Fortune Builder is a guaranteed savings plan where all the benefits are guaranteed. Moreover, you can choose whether you need early income, regular income or lump sum payment. Either you can receive the benefits immediately or you can accrue and then withdraw as and when required. The death benefit under each plan option varies and it is a little complex to understand. It differs based on the plan option, premium paying frequency and life cover option chosen. Kotak Guaranteed Fortune Builder is an insurance cum investment product. From an investment perspective, the return is lower than a bank's fixed deposit interest rate. This rate is not favorable for a long-term investment. From a life cover perspective, the sum assured is too low to cover the family's basic need in case of eventualities. A pure term policy and a diversified investment portfolio aided by a professional financial planner will provide you with financial security. But insurance agents will push these types of endowment policies, insisting on guaranteed returns. It is solely for their high agent commission. Please beware. A detailed review of Kotak Guaranteed Fortune Builder is available as a blog post in our website and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment Webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.